way up there. Careful.
Do the next one.
Huh? Where? What? Where?
Which one do you think? Sure.
This way.
Now what? Yeah.
Right that way. Right that way?
Yeah.
Okay. Right that way?
Yeah.
Okay. Right that way?
Yeah.
Right that way?
Mm-hmm.
Ah. There?
There.
Right that way?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Right that way?
Does it go in or is it upside down?
Right that way? Right that way?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good job.
No. Don't put it up the counter, please.
Put what?
Put that up in the counter.
I was gonna film and make a movie of you.
Where?
Right here.
Let me see.
You wanna see it?
Yeah.
Okay. You wanna film?
Yeah.
Here. Be careful. You hold it, it's heavy. You see through it? What do you
Where?
see?
Huh?
What do you see? You see the kitchen?
Turn it up. Turn it up.
Okay.
I'm showing you where you put it up.
Okay.
I'll show you. I'll show you where, okay?
Okay.
Come with the camera. Go way up. Stay there.
Okay.